So hello and welcome to this quick Adobe Animate tutorial, and in this video I will show you the difference between double and triple equal sign when you are writing JavaScript and you are comparing something in the if statement. So I am in the Adobe Animate in HTML5 document. You can choose any width and height. We are not going to be working with any shapes. We are just going to be console logging. But very simply, I am going to go to the layer 1. First frame, I will right click, I will choose actions, and it is going to open me this text editor. I will zoom in with Control or Command and mouse wheel. And for example, I am going to type that let score is going to be equal to 5. Okay. In here, I am using one equal sign because we are assigning a value to the score, which is going to be 5. And then what I can do is I can have a simple if statement. So I will go if score is going to be equal, and in here you cannot have 1 because you would be assigning. So when you are comparing, you will go with double or triple. Let's go firstly with the double. So I will go if score is equal to 5, like so. Then we are just going to, console.log, and we will console.log winner. Okay, and I can go with else. So else console.log loser, for example, like so. So yeah, right now we have score which is 5, and we are comparing if score is equal to 5, console.log winner. Okay, so I will go with Control Enter, Command Enter. I will go with F12 or right click, inspect, and go to the console. And in the console, I am going to have winner because, the score is 5 and we are comparing if score is equal to 5. Let's change the score to be, 2, for example. So you are playing some game. At the end, you are comparing the score. You have score 2, and to be winner, you will have to have 5. So right now, obviously, score is 2, that's not equal to 5. So we are going to have console.log loser and yeah. Okay, so what we have to do is we will have to have the score 5 to have the winner. And now what is going to happen if instead of the double equal sign, I will go with the triple equal sign. Okay, so I have score 5. And I am comparing score with triple equal sign. I will go with Control Enter. And we are going to have the same winner. So what is the difference? The only difference is that the triple is strict and double is not. So if I am going to say that let's score is going to be equal, and in the quotation marks 5. So right now this is not a number. This is a string, this is like string as if you are going to have a name, Jane or something. So we are going to have if score, we are going to say let score is equal to 5 in the quotation marks as a string. And now I am comparing if score is equal to 5, console.log winner, else console.log loser. Right now I have triple. So you probably may guess that right now I am going to have loser because string number 5 is not equal to 5 with the triple equal sign. But if I go with double equal sign, this is going to convert the string number to like number. And right now this is going to be true because string 5 is equal to 5. So I will go with Control Enter, I will go with F12, and we are going to have winner. Okay, this is not going to be applied if you want to have like let's say that if score is going to be bigger or equal to 5, like so. And right now I will go with for example 8, like so. This is going to work, but in when you have like bigger or equal or smaller or equal, in here I cannot go like this. So I can, but I am going to have an error. So this is going to work only if you are like comparing if it's equal, like so. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that this is like the main difference between the double or triple. Yeah, I usually go with the triple, but probably you are not going to have this kind of issue. But yeah. So in the console, I can show you that if I am going to type 5 equal to 5, that's going to be true. But if I am going to type 5 equal to quotation marks 5, that's going to be false. But if I'm going to type 5 equal to quotation marks 5, is going to be true, and so on. And you have other things like you have true equal to 1, and that's going to give me true. But if I'm going to have true equal to 1, that's going to be false. So the true and the 1 are equal with the double, but they are not equal with the triple. But yeah, usually when you have like true, you don't compare things like so. You don't type if score is equal to true, but usually if you have true and false, you just type if score. But yeah, the point of this was just to show you that there is this little difference. Probably usually it's not going to make any difference, but I use triple for this reason. With double you will be fine, but right now at least you know, if you didn't know, that this is like a little difference, but both should work. But I go with triple. So yeah, this is it, this is all. I just wanted to show you. Thank you and goodbye.